Easy way to save and retrieve images from SQL table using ASP.NET. So these recent days I have received so many messages from developers, uh, particularly in web development. They have that problem to how to manage the images while using um, ASP.NET and SQL. So just follow these instructions carefully, and then I'm sure um, you are going to well understand how to you can do that task easily. So the first thing that we are going to do right now, we are going to create the project, and then just make sure that you are in ASP.NET web application, and then I will click next. And then I will say maybe the name of my project is image manage image. So the solution name will be the same, manage image. And then here I will go with this. It will take some times. And then at particular level, I have to create my form now as quick as possible. Give it the name index. And then here in this div, I will just drag and drop three things. The first one just to be the file upload that can help you to upload a file. The second one is just to be a button that can help you to click on for you to save your image in the database. And the last one, it has to be the label. I can call it a result button one, file upload one. So let me just put some spaces between these things, and done. So what I will do is that I will just create an event, button event. Here is where I will put all the code. So now, before to proceed to start putting the code, we have to make sure that we create the database, and then yeah, I will say store images. This store images, the last one. So I will go on new query. I will make sure that I'm inside my store images database, because as you can see, I have so many databases. And then here inside, I will create a table. I can say save image. Okay, save and retrieve, but we can say save image. It can have only two columns. The first one is the ID, which will be an integer primary key identity, and the second one should be the images, the data type image, null. Yeah, successfully created. So we can even select save image, and then yeah, right here we have two columns, this one and the other one. So Now what I will do is that I will go here, we go back in this my button, and then I will write all code. So here is the first step is where so many people they are making some mistakes, is that whenever you click on the button to upload the picture, so you need to get it in http posted file class that can help you to keep that picture before you convert it to binary and you save it to your database. So here it is, just follow the instructions, posted file, and then at this particular moment I will use my file upload ID, which is here, file upload one, and then I'll say posted file, and then I will check at this particular moment if my posted file it is not equal to null, then I will continue. If it is not equal to null, now follow what I will do. Uh, to be byte equal to copy this binary dot read bytes. Then here inside we are going to put our stream.length. We are going to take this stream and then we put it here. We say dot length. Oh, there is an error. Okay, we need to cast it. Okay, like this. Okay. So the next step here now is now to connect my database, to use the connection strings that can connect my database and my backend code. So how to do that? I will create just one string. I can say connection string. This connection string. I can right click on my database. I go on properties. Okay, if it's like this, what I need to do is to refresh. I will go down, I will refresh, and then I will click again on properties, and then you see we go here on connection strings and copy this code, and then I paste it there. So once you paste this one, mine it's detecting automatically the slashes. Now if you copy it, you are going to see that it will have just one slash at this particular place. So if you want, you can just add one, or you can put this at the beginning of this one, or you can just leave it like this. So what should be the next step here is to use now the SQL connection class. Connection. And then at this particular moment, I will now use my command that can help me to save the data. I can say SQL command, and I can say CMD. SQL command. Now here in this SQL command class, we take two parameters. The first one is the query. Okay, let's create the query here. String SQL, you can say SQL query or SQL, and here I can put now the query here. I can say insert into, so I have to specify the name of my table. The column is images. Insert into my table, column images values. Now here on value we can say, maybe let's say image data. Then we are going just to code this SQL as the first parameter, and we are going to go again. We're going to code the connection as the second parameter, and here now is where we are going to code our object command dot parameters dot add value. Now here on adding the value, we have also two parameters. The first one parameter, it will be this this variable here, the one which can insert the value, the image. And then the second parameter, now it will be our byte, where there is our code. And then now you can say cmd, which is the command, execute none query. So now we are done saving. So now if you want to detect it, if you want maybe to send a message to say that saved successfully, so what you have to do is that this method can return an integer, can return 1 or 0, and then you have just to check. If it returns 1, it means the one row have been affected. So for that one, now we can call our label result, if you remember, and then we say saved. Okay, we can just say saved, and then we are done. So let's try this one, and then in the next video I will show you how I can now retrieve the data from this particular table. It means I will show you how I can retrieve the binaries in our database and convert them to an actual picture and show it to our design. So it will take some time. Yeah, here it is. So let's upload the picture. You can choose whatever picture. Wow, saved. Yeah, let's now try see in our database if really we saved. Yeah, here it is, saved successfully. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch the second video just after this one, that can show you how you can retrieve the picture from the SQL table to your design. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.